Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be a baby on Brookhaven. So I'm obviously going to change my outfit here. I'm just going to go to this one and maybe I'll search like toddler outfits. Hopefully they'll have some. Maybe this one. Why am I still using this top? Okay, let me just change to Roblox avatar. Like, don't mind these. I don't know why it's there. Okay. Anyways, I'm just going to go back here and type in toddler. And I'm going to use these. I don't know why the jacket's on. It's been bugging since forever. I don't know why. Okay, maybe if I select the top one. Oh my gosh, it's dark. It's gonna remove it. Yeah, okay, it removed it. I'm just gonna create something simple. I'm gonna research again. Okay, we'll do that. That's matching. You can obviously add something more cute. And then for the hair, I'll just like do toddler again. I don't know what to type other than that. And it's going to show like some accessories, I guess. I don't know, like, what do kids have for hair? Oh, I'll do like these. I don't know. Oh, maybe not. I'm like bald at the back. Okay, I'll do that. And then I'll type like pacifier. Here, let's do all accessories. And I'll just pick, oh, there we go. It's kind of like placed. There we go. And then to change the size, go here and then go to your avatar, select this, and then you're just going to make yourself really small. And that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Here, I'll show you what I look like if I can find some people here. Let's see. Okay, I do see someone over there. Let me just run, honestly. It's taking me so long. And that is how you can become a baby in Brookhaven. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.